much better? Can I show my love for you? Can I show my love for you? I do, I do. For you. I do. Can I show my love for you? I do.
Combine
I do.
job.
You may not know right where you're going.
She just let me know, but they show no fish. Yeah, say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Oh yeah, brown. Oh,
I do.
I think he's 6
I do.
inch.
You may not know right where you're going.
Just got my mattress. Yeah, so I'm at Tafom. I got my mattress. Yes, sir. Hey guys, so I'm still preparing for my move. I don't know how I'm vlogging, like, but I need to structure this vlog. So right now I'm home right now. I came to get some of my stuff, so I'm on the way to the mall. I need some packaging boxes. I need some boxes because I've been buying utensils, some really nice plates. I'm gonna do a haul for you guys, but I need like a separate box for my cute dishes because I don't want to break anything. And if I find something cute, yeah, I can get something, but according to preparation, I've done everything. Yeah, so let's see. I'm going to Food Plus, and then there's a China Village, China Square sort of store in the mall close to my place. Well, not my place, my parents' house. So yeah, come with me on this journey. I'm so out of breath. I haven't been going to the gym in the longest time. I haven't been going to the gym since Miss Universe. Oh, kind of traumatizing, but I'm good. Woo, yeah. So first, made it to the mall. Yeah, I wanna check out this China store. Yeah, so let's do that first. So in here, this is actually really cute. It's a really cute mug, and it's in pink. So I think I'm gonna get that. Let me get a shopping cart because I can see potential of like some cool stuff. Let me show you. So, this one is also really cute. Oh my god, guys! I wanna show you something. This is like a bodycon dress. By the way, guys, don't sleep on the China Village. This China Square. This is a bodycon dress, and look what it has inside. It has like some shorts inside. It's like I think this is also a really cute dress. Like, look at this cute sundress. Guys, what would happen for them to put such a sticker in the men's fitting room? That's their bodycon. Guys, I was only coming for cardboard boxes. I have a shower can as well. I need some bathing gloves. And this polka dot curtain. Let me show you guys. I'm sure let me show you this cute hoops. I feel like these ones are giving this Bottega Veneta glasses. They make a red. But guys, as you can see, we moved to our first apartment. I moved into my first apartment, and I'm so happy, guys. I'm so grateful. Like, it's a dream come true. And yeah, I've been cleaning. I already did the living room, as you have already seen, or I'm gonna put it after this part of the video. And then now I'm left in my room. My room is so full. I have things everywhere. Like, I need to organize my stuff, because we can't be having a nice apartment with dirt everywhere. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put a clip of the apartment tour first. I'm gonna put a clip for the apartment tour first, and then yeah, so you guys can watch the apartment tour.
That shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the rondo, I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage, but you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You need.
So yeah, as you can see, it's a very beautiful house, and I'm here to show it some love. I can't wait to get like decoration items. I'm still unpacking my stuff. So yeah, welcome to my video. I've been up and down, guys. I've been up and down. I couldn't shoot stuff. So yeah, I know you guys are waiting for the Miss University. I'm gonna make a separate video about that. So without further ado, let me clean up, man. Let me finish organizing my stuff so that I can come back. Yeah. As you come to my room, there's stuff everywhere, so you can see we have so much to do, like vitu ziko kila mahali. So let's get to cleaning.
something
Hey
is so
guys.
greatly appreciated. And I got
Hey guys, so I finished organizing just a little bit. Well, I'm not done. I'm tired. It's like, let me see. It's like 9:38, so like 20 minutes to no. Yeah, so like 20 minutes to 10. So I like sleeping a bit early and also having my dinner like maybe 2 hours before bed because yeah, I think it's healthy for you. So I'm waiting for my dinner. It's actually almost here. I got some I'm having some nyama choma. I don't know if it has some accompaniment, but I have some onions and tomatoes. I can make some salsa. I wish I would have gotten that avocado, but it's okay. So I'm gonna make some salsa if there's no salsa, and then I'm gonna take a shower, at least so that I can take off my makeup. Yeah, shower and dinner. So I'll be back. I'm gonna show you guys the progress that I've made. Yeah.
I pull up at the club, VIP, gas tank on, but all drinks on me. White man out. Fresh kicks, fresh white tall tee, fresh NFL head.
So my dinner is here. My nyama is here, but I don't have any starch. I'm trying to figure out what I can do. I can saute the nyama in some onions and maybe make some chapatis, like 1 or 2. It's really easy to make chapatis by the way. So let's see. Hey guys, so I just took a shower and put on some PJs. I'm feeling fantastic. I already had my dinner. I want to make some spearmint and cardamom tea. I don't know how that combination feels like, but I feel as a tea person, I think it's gonna be bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna have some tea with some shortcake biscuits and some dark chocolate because I love having something sweet after dinner because nimezoea vibaya. I'm spoiled like that. But guys, I want to do some work as well. I want to work a little bit. I need to plan my week so that it's on Sunday. I want to plan my week so that yeah, I can have a good work week, good flow. Yeah. See you in the morning. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Well, it's not morning, it's like late afternoon. I woke up early in the morning. I woke up at like 9:30, no, at 10. I woke up at around 10 because I slept at around 4 a.m. I decided to do some of my work yesterday so that today I'm not overwhelmed with like more work. So right now I'm just organizing my stuff. I'm actually organizing my drawer. I really need to wash my hair. It's really irritating. So yeah, so I was just trying to organize my bag in like a cute way instead of hanging them on my wall. I decided to put them in my wardrobe. Yeah, I think it's cuter that way so that I can close the wardrobe and my room is a bit, so that I have more room to add some decorations, like part of me. Yeah. Hey guys, I know you haven't seen me in a few days. I've been up and down. I'm also trying to combine, my job with the moving. So I'm quite busy here and there. But yeah, I think I want to end this vlog over here because I want to start a new vlog. I'm having my maintenance week actually. I'm going to do my hair. So if you've reached this far, I got my Wi-Fi installed and I'm so happy. Like, I'm excited. Like, things are moving step by step. Yeah, if you've reached this far, by the way, thank you so much for thank you so much for watching. From the time I was house hunting to when I finally moved here, we came, we washed the house, and then my dad and my younger sister brought me to my new house. So I'm really happy, and I'm grateful for this milestone. So if you've reached this far, thank you so much for watching and for joining me in this journey. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, and I know you guys are waiting for some Miss Universe tea. So if you're interested in knowing like how my Miss Universe journey was, please subscribe to my channel because it's only going to get better and better and better. Bye.